Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next CPU. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just click here on advanced, click on it here. So we will go back. You click here on advanced here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here. You come here to replace Newlines with HTML. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.